Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at echoes. That sound you hear some few seconds or milliseconds after the main sound has already been given out. You say ah, and in just milliseconds you get the reverberation of ah or the reflection of ah. That is echo. You normally have it when you have an empty room with hard surfaces. So when you make the noise, the wall reflects it, the hard surface of the wall. That is reflection of sound from plain surfaces. This echo has application in oil industry, it has application in many other things in geography. And that is why we are looking at it today. So we say that an echo is the sound perceived or heard after the reflection of the sound wave on a plain hard surface. Whenever there is a plain hard surface, you make a sound, you hear the sound again after some few seconds or milliseconds, because there is a reflection of that sound, making it possible for you to hear it twice or several number of times. Applications of echo: you can use it in finding the distance of a cliff from a ship. You can also use it in finding the speed of sound in air. You can also use echo in oil prospecting. Whenever you're looking to find out whether there is oil in a given geographical area, like in the north or anywhere, you can use echo for that. Echo sounding devices used in measuring sea depth and to detect submarines. You can use echo sounding devices to measure sea depth and detect submarines. Submarine are those mechanical structures that can be found under the water. Now, what are the disadvantages of echo? In music industry, you build a studio, you want to have a crisp sound in your studio so that there will be no reflection, there will be no echo. You don't need echo in a music studio. So you need to prevent echo in a music studio. How do you do that? You need to use a perforated spot to cover the walls so that when you make noise, it will not come back again. You just make normal, or when you make a sound, it will not have to be reflected. You have a perfect sound, and you need perfect sound for music. So echo can sometimes be used as in multiple sounds in classrooms. It can be a bad thing in the classroom or in music studio. One way of minimizing it is by covering the walls and roofs with perforated spot sheets, especially in music studio. That is very, very important. You may leave it in a classroom or in an open hall, but in music studio, you need to cut off echo. Thank you. If you like this video, please hit on the subscribe button. If you have any question about this, drop it on the comment section. Thank you and God bless.